Are you a data enthusiast looking to leverage Python to uncover hidden insights in your data? Do you aim to grasp the power of exploratory data analysis for better decision-making and predictive modeling? Or perhaps you're an aspiring data scientist eager to boost your Python and data analysis skills. Welcome to Exploratory Data Analysis with Python training. In this in-depth training, you'll unlock the ability to dissect data, understand its structure, and extract valuable insights using Python. The training covers a wide range of topics, from mastering data description techniques to visualizing data for more insights and preparing data for predictive modeling. The best part? Our hands-on course project bridges theory and practice, empowering you to launch and succeed in any industry. Our learning environment is tailored to provide personalized support to each and every student. Our dedicated team of educators and tutors is just a click away, ensuring you get the guidance you need to excel in your studies. Are you prepared to level up your skills? Book a free consulting meeting with our knowledgeable experts and explore the best path for your growth.